Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are just joining, my name is Melaninbanc. Hi! First things first, you need to be subscribed to my channel. Great! Now that you're all subscribed, welcome to the fam. Today's video, I haven't done one of these videos in quite a while, and I feel like you guys have kind of missed hearing my voice. You know. But yeah, I haven't done a little chit chat or get ready with me video in a while, so I decided, why not today? You know, why not film a little chit chat video with y'all? And also, there is a lot to talk about. Like, there's a lot going on in the YouTube community right now, not to mention the whole Tarte fiasco that happened maybe about a week ago. So we got a lot to talk about. So right now, I'm gonna just apply my makeup and yeah, we'll go with the flow. So to moisturize my face, I'm gonna use this. You guys have definitely seen this in a lot of my videos before, but to get a dewy finish, this is my secret. So, first topic of the day. Let's talk about this Tarte Shape Tape foundation. Y'all, I have not used it. Let's just put that out there. I have yet to try the foundation. So this, what I'm about to talk about, everything that I'm about to say is from all the videos, all the reviews, from all you guys that have tried the products, and it's just totally disappointing. So when I saw that they were coming up with the Shape Tape foundation, obviously I was like super excited about it, just because like the concealer is bomb. Their Shape Tape concealer is bomb AF. So obviously I was like, ooh, they're about to make a bomb ass foundation too. Okay, alright, whatever. And then I saw a picture of the shade range of the foundation, and sis, dude, are they missing another photo? Could it not all fit on her arm? I was like, okay, is that it? That's just gonna be the shade range? Alrighty then. Immediately, off rip, I was disappointed just by the shade range, and I was totally turned off. And the reviews started pouring in. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all went in on those reviews. They need to come back and try again. They need to rewind, try that shit again. Okay, that's not working. Let me finish my eyebrows real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. My brows are done. If you guys want to see a quick brow tutorial, there is one on my Instagram. If you're not yet following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing. I'm using the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. No, they really came out and they showed out. They really did their thing with this product, so I was so excited that I got it. I'm gonna add Fawn to my under eyes just to kind of balance the dark circles under my eyes. And a lot of foundations that I use, they will match like my neck and obviously like the lower half of my face. But as soon as you hit my forehead, because my forehead is darker than the rest of my face, so it's really weird. Whenever you hit my forehead with that foundation, it just looks really light, and depending on the foundation, it will look really ashy. So that I can't have. Can't have that. No, no, no. So buying foundation is just like super important that it matches my whole face and it doesn't leave my skin looking ashy either. So with the Tarte foundation, for a lot of the reviews, it wasn't really anything to rave about. Coming from the concealer, which was such a huge success for them, I felt like the foundation in the formula and how it worked, it should have had that same reaction, you know? And their products are so good. Like, I recently just did another video, and I'll link it right here, and it was all about Tarte products. I was super impressed by the formula of all the products that I received, and the colors, the shades, it was just perfect, because especially their eyeshadow palette, I love that Toasted palette. I love that palette. Like, they really do make good products. So I was just shocked. I was just, as you can tell, I was just really, really surprised. So this one is the Rich Caramel, which was a little light. So I'm gonna go ahead and, well, not really. It's looking light. It's looking like my shade. And I feel like this is how the first time I applied it. And then it turned out to be a little lighter. So I'm just gonna do this. The Even True Flawless Liquid Foundation. This one is medium to full coverage. I've never tried it. And this one is in Truly Topaz. I'm just gonna put a little bit on there and see if I can just like blend it in with the other foundation. But that's not bad. I feel like that looks pretty good. It looks pretty good in person right now. It looks not bad at all. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and of course I'm using my favorite LA Girl. This one is in Warm Honey. Contour, I'm gonna use the Black Opal foundation, True Color foundation stick in Hazelnut. Like, I just sat in the suntan for a minute, and my skin is just like tanned and glowing, and then you just have that natural contour, and that's the kind of feel that you want. I am just gonna set my face right now, and I'll be using my Nye Banana Powder. So I just kind of set my face and just like go over mostly my highlight areas. So I'm going over where I highlighted maybe 1 or 2 times with the Banana powder. Definitely swipe a nice line under the contour, and that kind of sharpens it up a little bit more, but it also leaves the natural look. Now I am gonna add bronzer. Today I'm using Hotel Heiress from Tarte. When y'all sit there and bash Tarte for that foundation, like, I get it. They definitely 100% missed the mark on that foundation, but they are a really good company. Like, I'm not gonna stop using Tarte products just because of that foundation. Like, hopefully they will take the advice, take the reviews into consideration, and build on their range and try to fix the formula. So for one of the highlighters, this is Black Opal's Sunrise Glow highlighter stick. And it is gorgeous, you guys. And I'm just gonna swatch it for you. Look at that glow, bitch. Look at that glow. And they have two other shades apart from this one too. So, adding a little bit on the cheekbones. And you see, that's what I love about this, just because it looks so natural. Like, it looks so natural. You don't need to add any powder highlighter on top if you just want to go for that natural glow look. But y'all know me, I love to glow. So I'm gonna add another one. I've been using this highlighter ever since I got it, and I can't stop using it. I gotta be honest, Lancome found it, darling, with this highlighter. This is the dual finish highlighter in Dazzling Bronze. I'm literally gagging at this highlight right now. No. Oh. So this is Lovecraft. Okay. Oh. I mean, this shade of pink I usually go for just because I don't think they look good on me at all. Like, it's a light pink. I don't usually go for pinks. If I do, it's usually a darker pink. So let's see how this goes. It's very, very creamy. And then I'm just going to finish with the NYX matte finish. After I sprayed, I look at myself and I'm literally glowing from every angle. Pretty pun any side. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!